journalist? And you're telling me that you're speaking the truth?
Mr. Chair, respectfully po, those are my feelings. Kasi binamigay natin yung pera sa
Therefore,
APCAP.
if that's your feeling, Mr. Chair, I demand that you apologize to this committee.
I will apologize, Mr. Chair, for my bad words or for... I apologize for my bad words, sir. I
Mr.
apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that, no? Siguro naman, makikita mo naman ang gobyerno, sasabihin mo mga tanga kami, siguro...
Marcos or Duterte or any other politician. Ako po ay pro-good governance. Sumusuporta po ako sa bawat pinuno at bawat Pilipinong nagtataguyod ng maayos at malinis na pamamahala at malayang pamamahayag at pagpuna. Hindi po ako tagabalita. I am not a journalist. I only react and opine to news and current events online. I criticize and yes, I admit sometimes I have my biases, but I do not hit below the belt or resort to ad hominem statements. Issue-based lamang po ako. Everyone here sa mga kasama ko sa social media support the efforts of the TRICOM. We agree that free speech and freedom of expression must be protected and that fake news, disinformation must be eradicated. These are our common grounds that unite us. We wish TRICOM every success.
That in my committee, one of the black timer in Cagayan, Bombo Radio Cagayan, was cited in contempt because after the hearing, he attacks the result of insulted the committee and the result of the hearing. Please be reminded po. Thank you.
If there will be any changes in the tentative schedule on April 8, we will issue notices to all concerned. Any motion?
Mr. Chair, may I move that we suspend the hearing of the issue? So move, Mr. Chair.
In behalf of the Tri-Committee, we'd like to thank everyone for your presence and your time. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. This hearing is now suspended.
Anong gusto niyo isulat dyan? You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero
Mr. Chairman.
please, yes, okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po, tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.